Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of automotive diagnostics with a tool that's been making waves in the industry, the OBDeleven OBD2 diagnostic scan tool. If you're passionate about your ride and want to unlock its full potential, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we explore the features, benefits, and real-world performance of this compact powerhouse. Let's kick things off with an overview of the OBDeleven. This compact device connects to your car's OBD2 port, giving you access to a world of diagnostic and customization options. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this tool is designed to empower you with real-time insights into your vehicle's performance. Key features. One of the standout features of the OBDeleven is its seamless integration with a dedicated mobile app available for both Android and iOS. Explore the possibilities of OBDeleven to scan, read, clear, and share fault codes, allowing you to keep up with the maintenance status of your car with our OBDEye scanner. Adjust, enable, or disable your car's comfort functions without any mechanical knowledge with our one-click apps that are ready to use as soon as you open up the application on your smartphone. Take full control of your car's maintenance as our application allows you to reset maintenance intervals after you do basic repairs and fixes, such as changing the oil and filters, as well as changing the brake pads, allowing you to keep track of your car's mandatory service periods. Easily integrate retrofitted parts and features, such as parking sensors, LED license plate lights or taillights, a heads-up display, or an anti-theft alarm with a few clicks on your smartphone. The first-gen device is only compatible with an Android 6.0 and above phone, and all vehicles within the Volkswagen Group VAG, including cars from Volkswagen, Audi, Seat, Cupra, Skoda, Bentley, and Lamborghini, and as an officially approved third-party car diagnostic scanner. We have full integration with the group's car lineup. From adjusting the sensitivity of your throttle to activating hidden features like needle sweep on your instrument cluster, the OBDeleven lets you tailor your driving experience to your liking. It's a game changer for those who love to fine-tune their rides. Here are some pros and cons about OBDeleven OBD2 Diagnostic Scan Tool. Pros: deep diagnostic power, one-click customization, user-friendly interface, solid build quality, community and support. Cons: limited brand compatibility, primarily focused on Volkswagen Group vehicles, Audi, Skoda, Seat, etc. So, if you drive a Ford or a Honda, this tool won't be your garage buddy. In conclusion, the OBDeleven OBD2 Diagnostic Scan Tool is more than just a gadget, it's a gateway to a deeper connection with your car. Whether you're troubleshooting issues, customizing settings, or simply exploring the capabilities of your vehicle, the OBDeleven is a must-have tool for any automotive enthusiast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive insights. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy driving!